Ecklonia radiata is one of the common kelp species found right throughout the southern Australian coastline. It's certainly interesting having a look at the different adaptations the plants will use to garner the available light. Here's a shot of some Ecklonia radiata pictured out at Jawbone Marine Sanctuary in Williamstown. As you can see here, there's the very short stipe. A stipe is the stem that sits between the holdfast at the bottom and the frond. The frond is up the top. That's the part that forms the canopy, if you will. Here's some Ecklonia pictured out at Apollo Bay Harbour. What you can see here is that the stipe is somewhat longer than the example that we saw earlier at Williamstown. Why the key morphological difference here between the two examples of the same species? Is it a response to the pressure brought on by sea urchin grazers? That could be part of the response, the idea being that the stipe being elongated makes it harder for the urchins to actually get to the fronds, but it could also be a response to light levels. Here's some very interesting photographs of the same species, Ecklonia again, on the bottom of a floating pontoon in Apollo Bay Harbour. What could be behind this elongated stipe growth is simply that they are reaching out for the light.